friends, welcome back to Sophia Edu Support. Hope all of you are fine. We were practicing letters in the last videos. We stopped with the letter H. Now we'll continue with the next letter I. See how to write I. Start from the second line. Make right curve. Take to first line. Light left slant and make the stroke the middle part of the third line. Next, small letter I. Small letter I is middle sound letter. That's why start from third line to the second line. Reverse the stroke and stop the middle part of the second line. And put small dot. Don't put big circle or any other shapes. Just small dot is enough. It's look small letter I. Next letter J. J is easy to write because same like I, start from the second line, make a right curve, take to the third line, take the stroke and cross the line. Next, small letter J. Start from the third line. Take to the second line. Take the line to down. Take the stroke middle of the fourth line and put small dot. Next letter, capital K. Starting like I. Start from the first line to the second line. From second line to the third line, make a small shape and take the stroke to the middle part of the third line. Next letter, small letter K. Start from the third line, light slant to the first line, make a small knot to straight line, third line, the same line, take reverse to right side make small shape and take the stroke middle of the third line. Next letter L, start from the first line, make a small knot, light slant to left side to the third line, make small knot to the third line, take out the stalk, take the stalk middle part of the third line. Next, small letter L, start from the third line, light slant to right side and take reverse to straight to the third line, make stroke middle part of the third line. Next letter capital M, start from the middle part of third line, light slant to right side to the first line, take the line straight to third line, same way again take to the first line, the line take directly to the third line, make a half circle shape. The M should be touching to the third line from starting to middle and from middle to up, from up to the ending. Someone used to write like this, M. This is the wrong way. Should not write like this. This is wrong. This is the correct method to write M. Small letter M, start from the second line. Take M also the middle sound letter to the third line. The same line repeat to the second line. The stalk take to the middle part of the third line. Next letter N, start from the middle part of the third line, light slant to right side, take to the first line, take the straight line to the third line, again light slant to right side to first line, make a small curve. Small letter N. Small letter N also middle sound letter. Start from the second line. Take reverse to the second line and take the stroke, the middle sound, the middle part. Next letter O. Start from the first line. Make a circle shape. Take the stroke to the second line and stop it. Small letter O. Start from the third line. Make circle shape. Make a knot and take the stroke to the circle. Next letter P. Start from the first line. Light slant to left side. From the third line, take the stroke to the first line. Make a half circle. Take the stroke inside. Small letter P. Start from the second line. Take the line to the fourth line. The same line, take reverse and make a half circle and make small knot. Take the stroke out. Next letter Q. Q also same like O. Start from the first line. Make a circle shape and take the stroke to circle. Small letter Q. Writing same like G. Starting same like G. Start from the second line. Third line to second line. Make a circle shape. Straight line to fourth line. From the fourth line, take the stroke. Light slant to right to the third line. This is enough for this section. Practice these 9 letters till you are perfect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you with next video.